Traditional science fiction often falls into a specific trap. It takes the noisy politics and industrial decay of our current era and projects them into the future, imagining the stars as a backdrop for the same wars and resource scarcity we face today. The universe of Extherea offers a different vision. In the year 2222, within the space surrounding the Orion constellation, the foundations of human life have been rebuilt from the ground up. This society has moved past the need for political systems and the shifting logic of human laws, choosing to leave the chaos of the previous centuries behind. Order is maintained through cosmic homeostasis, the direct application of cellular biology and the human central nervous system to the organization of a galactic civilization. By adopting the mechanics of the human body, Extherea attempts to create a civilization that functions with the same self-regulating resilience as a living organism. The basic unit of this society is the nav cellula, or ship cell. These vessels are governed by the law of sensorial perpetuity. Interiors are crafted from stone, wood, and silver, prioritizing eternal classical art and symphonic music over the disposable materials of the past. Advanced holographic technology pulls from an internal Akashic library to materialize hyper-realistic natural environments. Inside these metallic hulls, citizens walk across stone bridges and beside flowing rivers that react to their touch. Reproduction follows this exact biological template. Infants grow in automated, independent pods that float alongside the parent ship, allowing for a development period free from the stresses and noise of the outside world. This approach seeks to maintain peace by ensuring the environment of the individual functions like a perfectly healthy, unburdened cell. On a macro scale, billions of these individual ship cells operate in tandem. They receive automated festinance and logistical coordination from a central core known as the mother cell. The ships maintain flawless synchronization, mimicking a school of fish. When the system detects a threat, they group together. A fluid membrane wraps around the fleet, providing total physical invulnerability and invisibility. In this model, unified biological synchronization provides the security that traditional civilizations seek through militarized borders. This stability is challenged when a cell mutates. If a pilot begins to hoard energy or act with ego, the system identifies the behavior as moral necrosis. The biological protocol is immediate. The infected ship's connections are severed, and it is ejected into the outer vacuum to preserve the host. These exiles form the Exonecroinfernal, a parasitic collection of rusted industrial spacecraft. They represent the return of 21st century chaos, covered in the modifications and noise that Extherea worked to eliminate. These exiles deploy a biological digital virus designed to blind the mother cell and disable the protective liquid membrane, attempting to spread their infection through the system. This frames the conflict as an autoimmune crisis, where the ideology of the past behaves like a lethal virus attacking a living body. Rubén Star, an elite stellar immunologist, leads the defense. He approaches the threat without the use of traditional weaponry or explosives. During the final invasion, Rubén enters a quantum isolation chamber. He uses deep meditation to reach a state of absolute vacuum, becoming a single, intensely bright point of light within the void. He unifies the frequency of the surviving cells. A resonance wave purges the virus, restoring the membrane's integrity. Exposure to this natural law forces the enemy into apoptosis, programmed self-destruction. The system compels the disease to naturally dissolve itself, restoring order through the application of biological principles. Once homeostasis is restored, the threat of the nexo disappears. The synchronized dance of Extherea resumes, returning the Orion constellation to its state of quiet, acoustic beauty. This vision of the year 2022 serves as a mirror for our current world. The world of Extherea classifies modern political strife and industrial noise as biological diseases, ailments that require a clinical response rather than a political one. It suggests a peaceful future may not require the invention of new technologies or complex treaties. Instead, it points to a blueprint for order already coded into our biology, waiting for a civilization ready to listen.